Alright guys, okay, today I want to show you how you can get free Bitcoin here every day. Bitcoin, yes. So it's a new method that I just discovered that can really help you. Most people are complaining that they're no longer getting free Bitcoin. So now I want to show you another method. Okay, let's go. And this method is the BTC giveaway. Alright, as you can see here, today draw is over. So I observed that most people, instead of sharing their points, like for example, let's say here you have one person that's minus recruited last week. Maybe let's say one person, then you'll be giving 100 points. Now, instead of sharing that 100 points, you understand, instead of putting all your points in one letter, you can easily reduce it and do like this. You can put it 3, that's 30. You click confirm. You get, it says sufficient ticket because it has not dropped. Then here as well, you can put 30, making it 60. Then I have 40 points down. Then you come here, you put the last 40. Okay, so now with this method, there is no way you will not win BTC, that is Bitcoin. You can see these are the ones I've done. This is today's ones are close. You can see here I've been doing this for the past few days. You can see this is on the 1, on the 2, this is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get, that's almost a week. Then I recruit one person. Then I started getting free Bitcoin again. This is on the 14th, 15th, this is 15, this is 16. You can see this is 17, which is today's date, right? Okay. Let me just recap what I've said earlier. So what I'm trying to say is that instead of you giving letter B all your points, you can equally share the point among the 3 letters. So you get, you can share the point among the 3 letters. So doing so will help you to get Bitcoin. There's no way you will not get. Look at here. This is it. There is no single day I don't get Bitcoin. So that is the method I want to show you. Please don't forget, I still remain your host. My name is Olumide Ezekiel. Please, if this video help you, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Thank you for watching.